The next thing that we should do super quick is create the DB context and remove weather forecast. So I'll remove the controller as well. And then let me open up the shopping cart API. Here we will create in the coupon API a new folder for DB contexts as well as repository. We will also have a folder for our models. In there we will have DTOs. Then let's configure the connection string. So let me open up the shopping cart API, copy the syntax that we have there, and we'll open up the app settings inside coupons API and paste that, change the database name to Mango Coupon API. Let me close this and let's work on the startup class file. Let me open up the startup class file in shopping cart API and copy everything inside configure services. Let me just copy configure services all together and paste it right here. We'll change this from shopping cart API to coupon API. Let's go to the top here. We'll do control dot for the using statement. And we have not added the application DB context yet, so let me do that. Let me open this up, copy the class name, go to our DB context, add a new class file, paste the name there, and copy everything in here. We'll do control dot for the using statement. Let's remove the DB set right now, go back to our startup, add the using statement, and entity framework core. Then we have the auto mapper, and lastly we'll create the mapping config. So we can just copy this name, go to our project, add a new class file, mapping config, and let me copy that from the shopping cart API, and we'll paste that in here. Perfect. We'll do control dot for the using statement, and let me just comment these out for now. Perfect. So with this, our startup should not have any errors other than the repository. Looks good. We'll just add app.use authentication. And authentication should be before authorization. So make sure you don't mess that up. Everything else looks good. So the setup was super quick. Now we need to create models, DTOs, and push them to database. Let's do that in the next video.